Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on dark mode in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 or you might be upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 and you are looking for how to turn on dark mode. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Windows 11 start menu, just right click over on there and then you can click here settings. After click over settings, you're going to see a new screen will appear. Here you need to click here personalization. After click over personalization, in the right side you're going to find here something say color. After click over color, you're going to find here something say choose your mode. By default it might be light, and if you want to turn on the dark mode you need to just click this and then you're going to see there is a dark. So if we choose dark, immediately completely Windows 11 going to be appear dark mode, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way you can easily turn on dark mode in your Windows 11. Now you might be looking for how to turn off dark mode or how to make it the default or light mode. So in order to do that, you need to jump over in the same section. Click here Windows 11 start menu, right click over on there and then click here settings. After click over settings, you need to click here personalization and then you need to click here color and then you need to click here choose your mode. Let me make it here light. So within this way, you can easily turn on or off dark mode in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.